Urban Terrain Mutant 27.5T Blue Steel Mountain Cycle. The Shimano derailleurs and shifters are made with Japanese technology for a seamless gear shifting experience and trustworthy performance. The stylish bike has a 21-speed, 7x3 setting that allows the rider to shift gears according to their requirement. Get a free 3-month diet and fitness plan from our certified dietitians after you download the Cult Sport app. Our registered dietitians will provide customized meal plans tailored to your specific requirements. The high-quality double-disc brakes on both front and rear wheels ensure stable and quick braking. The disc brakes help you navigate safely during challenging situations such as a crowded market. The bike comes packed with light and strong double-walled alloy rims along with 27.5 inches wide tires that supports comfortable riding and a major performance advantage on the road. Easily adjustable saddle height and an attractive grip offer superior comfort and well-cushioned ride. The seat height can be adjusted without using any tools.